Number 46, day 3. Rivera, number 14. Pinasay, number 15. Wala na ni number 0, putback. Number 46, pinasay, number 10. Number 10, basket yan. Number 11, basket yan. Day 3, points para kay number 6. Dial, number 6, Ilocano step. Basket yan. 14, number 14, pinasay, number 6. Tinapor 11. Number 11, pinasay, number 14, tinapor. Number 11, gandang side step. Number 40, pinasay, number 11, taking 3 points. Number 6, basket. Pass to number 10. Number 10 pa rin. Basket. Number 9, Rondo Pink. Wala na wani. Number 6 pa lang. Number 15, pinasay, number 6. Number 11, Digno, take 3. Wala na wani. Number 6, Ek. Take 2. Pass to number 46, pinasay, number 6. Number 6, take 3. Wala na wani. Number 10. Pass to number 11, Digno, take 3 points. Number 46, pass to number 6. Pass to number 46, pass to number 15, take 3. 46, pass to number 15, take 3 points. 46, pinasay, number 15, take 3. Wala na wani number. Number 6, ang haba. Foul number. Number 10. Apa? Basket yan. Number 50, pinasay, number 46, paso, number 7. Number 7, nadulas. Number 46. 46. Number 10, pinasay, number 46. 46, Heradora, take 2. Number 10, pinasay, number 15, Rivera, take 3 points. Part 6, pinasay, number 6, pass to number 46, pass to number 6, pass to number 7, pinasay, number 46, basket. Number 6, take 3 points. 46, pass to number 10. Number 6. Number 7, 11, Digno. Number 11, pinasay, number 6, tinutok. Number 7, Pagino, pass to number 10, pass to number 11. Number 11, pass. Number 46, libre, take 3. Wala na wani. Number 10, Basix. K-drop. Wala na wani. Number 10, foul. 11, pinasay, number 7, K3. Wala na wani. Number 6, Kaso. Number 6, pinasakay. Number 7, Paglinawan, K3 points.